better. Everyone is different, so it's important to find what works best for me. I can listen to my favorite music. Sometimes music can help me feel calmer and happier. I can jump, run, dance, or swing. Moving my body can help release some of the anger and make me feel better. I can hold a favorite stuffed animal, blanket, or fidget toy. These items can help me feel safe and calm. I can talk to a parent, teacher, or friend about how I feel. They can help me